Hi and welcome to syGlass Academy. Today we're talking about the scatterplot tool. To use the scatterplot tool, you must first have some kind of CSV file ready to import into syGlass. Your CSV file should have categories of integers or decimal numbers. Your categories can include words, but the plot will make each unique entry its own section, so be mindful of this when creating your file. In this example, using data of housing in California, we've created a category called proximity to the ocean, and there are 5 different entries. Once you have your CSV file, highlight the project that you'd like to import the scatterplot into, and go to the Project tab and click Annotations. When the annotation wizard pops up, click on the category that reads Multivariate Data Points. Go to the bottom left and click Import Selected. Click on the CSV file you prepared earlier and click Open. After you've opened the file, close out of the annotation wizard and relaunch the project. Inside the virtual reality, I can see the project that I loaded the scatterplot into, and now I can see the scatterplot as well. To move the scatterplot, reach all the way into the dataset and pull the trigger. I'm going to minimize my menu and select the scatterplot tool. In the menu, you can select the X, Y, and Z axes, and there's a color range which is displayed on the right corner of your scatterplot. I can now alter the scatterplot using the variables that we created earlier to get completely different scatterplots every time. Some of the categories I wrote in my CSV file were latitude and longitude. So using the latitude and longitude in my Y and Z axes, I can see the exact shape of California, which is pretty cool. In this version of our scatterplot, you can see where we've put the proximity to the ocean with our 5 unique entries. Thanks for watching the scatterplot tool. If you have any more questions, visit syGlass Academy or contact us at info@syglass.io.